Do Friday, starting with solving equations. It looks more difficult because it's longer. It is not more difficult. The steps are still the same. We're still going to distribute. We're going to combine if we can. And then we're going to do inverse until that variable is by itself. So, distribute 10x plus 30. Remember, you're multiplying when you distribute. Negative 4 times negative 5, positive 20. Negative 4 times negative 2x, positive 8x. Bring down anything we don't math with. Then we combine if we can. On the left-hand side, I have a variable and a constant, but nothing else, so I can't combine on that side. On the right-hand side, I do have two terms that both have the variable x. So these I can combine and get 11x. Bring down anything you don't math with. I do need a sign in between the 20 and the 11x. Since it's positive, I'm going to put a plus. Bring down anything you don't math with. All things we need to do the opposite of in order to move it. So we're going to move the constants to the right. And then bring down anything we don't math with. Move my variables to the left. And again, 10 minus 11 is negative 1. You do not have to put the negative 1. But to get rid of it, you do have to divide by negative 1. And we end up with positive 10 on the right-hand side. Domain is x, so make sure you're looking at your x-axis. I'm going to look on the far left first because I want to go least to greatest. However, there's an arrow here, so I don't have a stopping point. So I'm going to go to the far right. It does stop at 2, and it is equal to. For my range, make sure you're looking at the y-axis. Go to the bottom, so you're least to greatest. It's at negative 3, and it is equal to. There's nothing up here, so I'm going to leave this side blank. If I want to turn this around, I can. So it would be y's are greater than, because I'm reading it backwards, y's are greater than or equal to, y's are greater than or equal to negative 3. So that's my range, that's my domain. Rate of change is the same thing as slope, so I'm going to immediately write my slope formula template. Pick the two numbers that I'm going to want to work with. Put your y's up top, and your x's on bottom. Negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. 3 minus 9 is negative 6. A negative and a negative make a positive. And this reduces down to 2 over 3. So positive 2 over 3. They have negative 2 over 3.